Greetings and welcome to BitPay FAQ. Today, we're going to demonstrate the steps to install the BitPay wallet onto a computer running a Linux operating system. To get started, you will need a 64-bit Linux-based computer and an internet connection. Start by going to the BitPay wallet download page in the Snapcraft website. You will find the link in the description below. When the page opens up, click the green Install button on the right corner, here. Click View in Desktop Store if you are on Ubuntu 16.04 or later, and click Ubuntu Software if necessary. Then, click Install in the upper left under the BitPay icon. If you are on an older version of Linux or the desktop store does not open up, you can also install the app via the command line. Open a terminal window and enter sudo snap install BitPay. Enter your password when prompted and wait for the installation to finish. Regardless of which method you end up using, you should now find the BitPay app on your computer's Activities menu. We hope this video helped you through the BitPay wallet installation process on your Linux computer. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a like. Feel free to follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and if you still have questions or don't see a video on the channel that addresses your question, please check out help.bitpay.com for more information. Links to these resources are available in the description below. Have a great day!